Hello guys, I am Sony. Welcome back to my channel. If you are a fresher and looking for a job opportunity in tech career, this video can definitely save your time because I came up with 3 opportunities including full-time roles and internships. So make sure to watch till the end because I will be covering requirements, qualifications, salary and locations. So yeah, let's get started. First one is from Recepto and they are hiring for Nodejs Developer. This is a full-time permanent role in Hyderabad. Experience required is 0 to 3 years, so freshers with strong projects can apply. Now listen carefully. They clearly mentioned you must have built at least one complete backend project end to end and you must have deployed a backend project. Now what will you do here? You will build and maintain backend services using Node.js, design and manage both GraphQL and REST APIs, implement authentication and authorization like JWT and role-based access control. You will also integrate payment gateways like Razorpay or Stripe, including webhook handling. You will work with databases MongoDB, PostgreSQL, or MySQL, and deploy applications to cloud or VPS platforms like AWS, GCP, DigitalOcean, etc. They also expect understanding of environment variables, production configuration, basic server setup, and Git knowledge. And yeah, candidate with any undergraduate or postgraduate degree can apply. So yeah, that's all. Coming to the second opportunity, this one is from Kisan Udyog and they are hiring for Python developer internship. This one is work from home. Stipend is between 20,000 to 25,000 per month. Duration of the internship will be 2 months. Working days are 5 days a week. Now what will you actually do? You will contribute to the development cycle, meaning real coding work. You will write efficient code, work on high volume, low latency applications. On the front end side, you may work with JavaScript, HTML, CSS, possibly Angular or React. On the back end, they mentioned Python and Django mainly, but exposure to Node.js or PHP could also be there. So this one is like full stack exposure with Python focus. Eligibility is open to undergraduate and postgraduate students from most streams. Skills required include HTML, CSS, Python, and Django. Perks include certification of completion, letter of recommendation, flexible hours, and possible pre-placement offer. Coming to the third opportunity, this one is from Equipped and they are hiring for full stack developer internship. This one is in office in Agra. Duration of the internship will be 4 months. Stipend ranges between 10,000 to 20,000 per month. Working days are 6 days a week with flexible hours. Now, this is a proper hands on experience. You will design and maintain full stack web applications, work on both front end and back end integration, write clean, well documented code in PHP and JavaScript. They require SQL knowledge, so database understanding is important. You will also build APIs, debug systems, improve performance, and even get exposure to ERP systems. Perks include certification of completion, letter of recommendation, pre-placement offer, and even a direct job offer opportunity. So yeah, these were the 3 quick opportunities. I have posted some cheat sheets which can help you at the end time of your interview. So make sure to check out them. All the apply links are in the description box. For more fresh job opportunities, make sure to subscribe and turn on the notifications. Till then, keep learning and keep applying. Thanks for watching.